Hi guys, welcome to my creative corner. This is Claudette and today is Quick Tip Tuesday. I am going to shed some light on this Tombow multi-purpose glue. When I first started working with this glue, I didn't care too much for it because it left my project tacky. Come to find out, this is how it was created, to have a repositional bond or a permanent bond. In saying so, it bonds in two ways. Permanent by applying your project while the glue is still wet, or removable by letting the glue dry before positioning. So I put some glue on this, I let it dry, so it got tacky, and I could stick it down here to my work surface, and it doesn't stick. It becomes removable. So it's like your sticky note or your Post-it note. It also has two dual applicator tips, the pen tip for your smaller projects, and it has your broad tip. Guys, I just found out about this tip down below just the other day. So if you didn't know about this tip, now you know. So this is for your larger projects. This glue is also acid-free. So that's it, guys. Thanks for tuning in today for Quick Tip Tuesday. Until next time, this is Claudette.